Eric, yes, that one has streams and VODs where he talks about the D&D Warhammer campaign. Oh, yes. Yeah, Eric, yes, that one is my DM. I think he was in chat a little bit earlier. But, hey, actually, you know what just occurred to me, chat? So, people, like, somebody last stream asked me if I listened to, shit, sorry, I'm totally gonna say this wrong. Perturbator? Oh, no, I need to sneeze. Wait. Oh, no. Wait. No, no, no. I can't be clipped. I'm not going on fucking VTuber sneezes. Not this time, damn it. I did it. Not this time. You're not gonna fucking get me, bitch. Anyways, what was I talking about?